Today we will start with heat and temperature. Now, what is the difference between heat and temperature? We know that a substance is made up of atoms. An atom of a substance are always in motion, right? So that will be continuous in motion. The atom in a substance has the kinetic energy due to the motion, isn't it? So the total kinetic energy of atom in a substance is actually the measure of heat contained in that object, while the temperature of a substance is related to the average kinetic energy of the atom. If the average kinetic energy of atom of two objects is equal, then their temperature are also equal. Okay, so all the objects are in the random motion. So that kinetic energy is actually concerned with the heat. I'll give you one another object experiment also to explain. See, first of all, understand this one, that A and B shows the velocity of atoms in a gas at high and low temperature respectively. High temperature, you can see there are many atoms. At low temperature it is showing less atoms, isn't it? Hmm? And they are moving in all the random direction. The direction and the length of the arrow attached to the atom shows the direction and the magnitude of velocity of those atoms. The velocity of atoms in the gas at higher temperature is very high, and the velocity of atom at the lower temperature is very low. तो ये जो atoms at B है ना, वो थोड़ा थोड़ा ही move कर पा रहे हैं because the it is cool, whereas the atoms they are in a, here the movement is more because the temperature is more. Okay, so the velocity of atom in the cold objects are less. The atoms are in a solid form and they are tied together by one another because of the force which is acting on them, that is the attraction force. So they cannot be displaced their places. But because of heat, they collide around and then fixed position. The higher the temperature of the solid, faster is the velocity of the oscillation. So जैसे ही है, see, this is a atom which is moving, it is moving like this. अभी इसको हीट किया तो वो और बड़ी बड़ी हीट करेगा, और हीट करोगे तो और जगह जगह घूमेगा. So this is how it takes place. Okay, so more the temperature, more is the motion observed in the atoms because of the kinetic energy increases, and that is why we say that kinetic energy is the measure of the heat contained in that object. Okay, now let us understand one more experiment. Children, here we have to fill the water in these two containers A and B. Okay, now A has less amount and B has double. Okay, more amount, double the amount. So this means that same increase in the temperature. We wanted to increase the temperature of both this A and B by 10 degree Celsius. Okay, दोनों को 10 डिग्री मेरे को उसका टेम्परेचर बढ़ाना है. अभी मैंने लिया ना पानी. Okay, suppose one is एक ग्लास पानी है, दूसरे में 2 ग्लास पानी है. I have taken just double the amount in B, and I wanted to raise the temperature of both the container by 10 degree Celsius. So what do you think? दोनों को same heat लगेगी कि नहीं? What is your observation? Yes, children. The heat required. which will be having more heat is required, which big container. Perfect, very good, good observation. So we know it that the container B will require more heat because it has got more water into it, isn't it? And A will have less because it has less energy. So this container B requires more heat. Container A पहले हो जाएगा 10 डिग्री से ज़्यादा. Now the temperature is measured in degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit and degree Kelvin. These are the three units which are used to measure the temperature. जो ये Kelvin है ना, that is used for the scientific experiments. But the Celsius and Fahrenheit, they are used in our daily life. So I hope you must be knowing it. जो हम लोग का रोज टेम्परेचर द वेदर फोरकास्ट में आता है दैट इज इन दी सेल्सियस डिग्री सेल्सियस. So today temperature now is 25 degrees Celsius. That is degrees Celsius. This they are talking about. Now I will talk about this one Fahrenheit, degree Fahrenheit. This is specially for measuring the body temperature. हमको बुखार आया है ऐसे बोलते हैं, हम लोग को 100 बुखार है तो 100 क्या है? See, the normal human body temperature is 98.6. So if you have उससे ज़्यादा say suppose 99 or 100, we say that the person is having fever. So we have this. So one should know, okay, what is the relationship between the Celsius and Fahrenheit? And the relationship is F minus 32 upon 9 is equal to C upon 5. I repeat, F minus 32 upon 9 is equal to C upon 5. If you solve further, you will get that K is equal to C plus 273.15. Clear this much? So the boiling point of water here in degree it is 100 degrees Celsius. So in the Kelvin it will be you have to just add 273.15 into it, right? See, so just add this and you will get this answer. And Fahrenheit ka what is the relationship? You have to use this relationship that F minus 32 upon 9 is equal to C upon 5. Now room temperature they had solved and told to you 73, 23 and 296, and you are supposed to find out the boiling point of mercury and freezing point of mercury. ये जो भी है ना उस पर 273.15 ऐड करो. You will get the answer of this and this also. Okay, and use the relation F minus 32 upon 9 is equal to C upon 5. Put the value, solve the equation, you will get the answer in degree Fahrenheit also.